Good day. May you introduce yourself?
My name is Geraldine. I'm 43 years old. With 3 children. My husband's name is Ricardo Enero Jr. I'm residing in Taguig City. I have 2 brothers and 5 sisters.
Okay, so
I was working before in Hong Kong for 9 years with Mr. and Mrs. Gloria Wong, Mrs. Y. Pompegi, and the last one is Mr. Ori.
what is your duties and responsibilities of your previous employer?
Babysitting, ironing the clothes, washing the clothes, going to market every day.
Okay, so do you know how to take care of your newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to take care of the newborn baby. I know how to change the diaper, and I know how to give them food.
Okay.
If I have a pig, I take the temperature, and I call to my employer.
So you know how to cook a Chinese food?
I know how to cook the Chinese food,
Like what?
frying vegetable, steamed fish, and
So you're not used on food. So you do know also how to get along with the young children?
yes, ma'am. I know how to take care of the children.
By
To tutoring, play with them, bring them to school every day.
giving a song?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Q, R, S, and T, U, V, W, X, Y, and
Okay, thank you for that nice voice, okay? So what if your employer requests you to cut your hair and nail short, it's okay with you?
Yes, ma'am.
How about if she give you a weekday off?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's your time to see a message of your future employer.
Dear my beloved employer, if you want to choose me as a domestic helper, I'm be honest and I'm very hardworking to you, your family. Thank you very much.
Okay, that's all.
Yes, ma'am.